Welcome. In this section, we'll explain what your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 network name, or SSID, and password are, and why changing them is crucial for your home security and network customization. As of September 2025, Spectrum continues to provide Wi-Fi 6 routers with enhanced support for Wi-Fi 6E on select plans, offering faster speeds and reduced interference. Changing your default SSID and implementing a strong WPA3 password helps prevent unauthorized access and potential cyber threats. Expert opinions from the Wi-Fi Alliance in a 2025 white paper recommend changing these settings regularly for optimal security. This fundamental step ensures your network is secure against issues like weak Wi-Fi passwords, which accounted for 25% of cyber intrusions in Verizon's 2025 DBIR. The easiest method to change your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 network name and password is using the My Spectrum app, available on iOS and Android. Once logged in, navigate to Services, then Internet, and select Wi-Fi or Network Settings. Select your router and choose Change Network Name or SSID. Enter your desired new name, like My Home Wi-Fi 6. Next, select Change Password and enter a new, strong WPA3 passphrase. Use at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. After applying changes, your router will automatically reboot, temporarily disconnecting devices. Alternatively, access the router's web interface by typing 192.168.1 into your browser. Use default login credentials, go to Wireless Settings, update SSID and security key, then save and reboot. These steps will secure your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 network and personalize it for your home.